Thank you for joining us today on the Four Horsemen. If you want to submit a glamour shot, send it to fourhorsemendiecast@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Four Horsemen YouTube channel. That's where all updates will be. Thanks again, and you don't have to have a YouTube channel to submit a glamour shot. We just encourage you to get involved with the build, and we got the new calendar coming up here any day now, and I know you're going to enjoy it. It's going to be a lot of fun and a lot of new guest horsemen. Thank you, and happy holidays.